Have you ever wanted to analyze any video and break it down scene by scene or transcribe the whole video and repurpose that content for yourself? You can do that with Gemini. Gemini allows you to analyze video, audio, of course, images, which is the easiest. But the coolest thing is that you can analyze a full video and a long MP3 file. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can do it through the Gemini AI Studio, or you can do it through Python. Perhaps you want to loop over 1,000 videos that you have organized and you want to take all that content and repurpose it in however you want to do it. So basically, let me show you how to do it on Google AI Studio, and then we can jump into the Python code. Once you get into Google AI Studio, you'll need to set up an API key. If it's your first time using Google AI Studio, you're going to want to set up your billing because it does use tokens. So you pay for what you use. For right now, Gemini 2.5 Flash Preview, up to 1 million tokens are free for image and video, which is pretty amazing. So pretty much you're using AI for free. All right, so when you get to Gemini AI Studio, you can just upload a video. This is the video we're going to analyze.
There's a Chinese proverb that says, when the winds of change blow, some people build walls and others build windmills.
So you can see that this video has many different scenes and it has a voiceover. So we're going to have Gemini analyze every single scene and describe every scene. And also it'll analyze the audio. And I want to test it to give the full transcription and also return the word by word timestamp of each word spoken by second. So here we're going to upload the file. So basically, I got this video by just screen recording my iPhone from this Instagram page, which I follow and I love their videos. And we're going to use that as an example. So the prompt we're going to use, this prompt, basically the structured output that we want is an array of scenes. We want the full transcript and we want the word for word timestamp. We'll just copy this and paste it right in here and we'll send that off. Now you can see it return the structured output. You can also specify structured output as tools to make sure that it always returns a JSON object. But in this case, I specified it in the prompt. We did a good job of returning the expected output. So we have a JSON object of scenes. Scene 1, solitary Chinese figure rendered in stark black white stands in a martial arts pose. Gives me the category tags, the scene context, core emotions, and some other fields I asked for. At the end, if we go over to the bottom, we should be seeing the full transcript. So we have a full transcript of what the narrator said in the video. And also we have the word for word timestamp of every single word spoken at a specific second. We get the full transcript and the word for word timestamp of the audio. So now you know how to do it manually. On the code, here's a Python script that you can use, which you can repurpose to run it multiple times. So in this project, you're gonna find a Gemini audio analysis URL Python file, and you have the Gemini video analysis URL Python file. This file analyzes audio, and this file analyzes video. The reason why I created a Python script is because some people are gonna wanna analyze 100 videos, maybe 1,000 videos or audio MP3 files. So you can have a list of content that you want to analyze, extract the information, and repurpose it in some kind of way. You can do that through Python. So let's run it. And we'll just say Python, Gemini video. And then you just execute this command. And basically what's happening is that it's pulling the URL of where the video is stored, which I stored it in Superbase. And it'll start analyzing the scene by scene. The same thing that we did in the Gemini AI Studio. So where do you store these videos? Now, Superbase allows you to have a free account and you can have free storage, which is pretty amazing. So just sign up for a Superbase account and then you go to storage and then you can create buckets. I have a videos bucket and you can have folders and I have a testing folder. You just upload the video here. You can take the URL and then you go to cursor and then you just add it in here. You can run this script. You can do the same thing for a MP file. I forgot to mention, you'll be able to access the prompt here. The current prompt that I'm using is the prompt V2, which is a very detailed prompt that you can use and repurpose it to your liking. And then there's an audio analysis prompt that you can use. And then after the code generates, it'll generate an output file, which will be the response. And you'll find it in the output file. So if you're a content creator or you just want to create content, but you just don't know where to start, you can always find inspiration from somewhere and have AI help you analyze it and extract that data. Then you can ask questions or repurpose it, reformat it, or reword it to your liking. Like I said, the Gemini AI Studio is free. If you want the code, you can find it in my Gumroad link in the description. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and please share it to someone that might be interested in this. Thanks. See you guys later.